Yo guys, finally time to check these things out. They finally released today and the energy was definitely kept when it comes to these PE Air Jordan 12 Melos. My first time checking them out with you guys, but we have a lot to discuss today. The Melo 12s, the crazy shock drop. This is the first shock drop we've gotten all year, so we might be in some good hopes later down the line, and more specifically with the Air Jordan 4 White Cement, which we're gonna talk about. So stay tuned, sit back, relax. Let's get into today's video, man. Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping into another video, man. It's a great, tremendous Saturday. You know, we got a double banger today. Melo 12s and those, what you call the Soul Air Jordan 3s. Bro, super tough. Like, I don't even know the full backstory about the sneaker. Just about first rips, I am loving the colorway. I took a huge L, of course, but the good thing is they are limited, right? They're a limited shoe, but they are not very, they're not you know, going outside of, you know, pant or arm and leg for a sneaker. I've seen my size only going for like 280, 290, which is pretty reasonable when I think it was like limited to only 36,000 pairs. So we are in some good hopes in terms of copping those. But if you guys are new here to the channel, right now we need everybody to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and please do your boy a solid and leave a huge like on today's video. It's Saturday, it's a great day, and yeah, man, I hope everybody out there is having a good one as well. All right, so first things first, let's go ahead and chop it up about these Melo 12s. My first time seeing them in hand. Then we're gonna talk about the shock drop today and some upcoming shock drops we could potentially see, since we are finally getting the shock drops, man. Nike hit me up saying, hey, come check out this release. And it was almost like a not labeled a shock drop, but it was a shock drop, man. But again, let's get into these, bro. I'm all over the place. Air Jordan 12 Retro, white, university blue. And I got these in a size 9.5. And I usually don't go a half size up in my 12s, but some reason I did. I don't know why. Let's go ahead and check these things out. I've never had these in the collection, but definitely one that I always wanted. And yes, sir, bro. Here we have them. One of those, not a grail, I would say, but one of those classics, one of those nostalgic sneakers that I grew up always liking and wanting. They are finally here, man. And check them guys out. And I don't think it's nothing spectacular with the Melo 12s. I think it's just more the simple fact that this is the Melo PEs. Like, you just can't go wrong with it. And if you love Air Jordan 12s, you love that UNC baby blue or the Denver blue, whatever you want to call this, then you are in good luck with copping these joints right here. Again, this is one of the ones, like, you know, if you've always been collecting sneakers, you've always been liking sneakers growing up, you definitely went out and grabbed these today, but they're currently sitting all on sneakers. They're currently sitting everywhere. I didn't even get to do a vlog today. I've been super busy. If you guys only knew the half of what I was doing, you feel for me. But these right here are sitting everywhere, and I can't wait to see a couple different vlogs, to see a couple different videos on Instagram and stuff, seeing how the release went for the Melo 12. I don't care if they set for 2 years. I'm gonna get my hands on them, bro. This is one that I had to have in the collection. Probably won't wear these a lot, bro. This is like, again, one of those collector pieces, you feel me? You got the black carbon fiber plate down there, white pods, white Jumpman on the toe box, and just a nice hit of that baby blue all around. It's an all white pair of 12s, man. You cannot go wrong with them. So if you guys did snag a pair of these, man, please let me know down below in the comment section. Where do you rank these amongst PEs? You know, so you got the Gary Payton 12s, which they kind of gave us a rendition with the University Gold pair that released a couple years back. It's a bunch, bro. We can go down the line. Rip Hamilton 12s. There are a lot of PEs that we have gotten in the general release form, like the Michigan 12s and stuff like that. If you had to rank these anywhere, like, where would it be? Or if I'm missing any of those, you know, PE/GR releases, let me know down below in the comment section, because something I didn't realize is I have a lot of Air Jordan 12s and I don't really get around to them because it's always like I end up going to a pair of 1s or a pair of 3s or a pair of 4s. But I got to get more versed in rocking my sneakers instead of, you know, just collecting them. Because I do wear my shoes, but sometimes it's hard to get around to certain sneakers, especially with the way that I dress and the way that I style my clothes. All right, guys, so like I said, we had to chop it up about the shock drop that happened today. Let me go ahead and grab my phone real quick. Again, I did not expect to see this one happening. We seen rumors last night about this shock drop happening, but the Soul 2.0 Air Jordan 3s are one that, you know, when I first seen it, it's like love at first sight. You know, you want to get it, You want to grab them. The hype is all built up in your head. You got to get them and stuff like that. This is what this did to me. And just looking at the pictures, looking at the whole, off-white sailish on the midsole transition to the upper sneaker, I just really wanted them, man. But again, Nike did a shock drop, bro, which is something we have not seen all year long. So it's something they probably just switching up per quarter. Like the first quarter, we ain't see nothing. But now we got one for these Soul 3s, and we could potentially get one for the Air Jordan 4 white cements. I wouldn't put it past them at all. Of course, I know we're gonna see an exclusive access if we don't see nothing else, but they released in a couple of weeks, you know what I'm saying? Actually, they released this upcoming week, so probably a little far-fetched to see a shock drop for the white cement 4s, but just looking down towards other releases, man, we are going to get a shock drop, hopefully, because we're seeing one for the Soul 3s. Like, let's, keep the spirits alive. Let's hope we see more of these. If you were able to secure a pair of the Soul Air Jordan 3s today on the Nike Sneakers app, let me know in the comment section. Let everybody else know in the comment section, because people are going to come and see who all got a pair. One of the 36,000 pairs are released today on the Nike sneakers. Y'all let me know in the comment section. I appreciate all the support, man. Again, thank you so much for tapping in. One more quick little 360 of the Air Jordan 12 Melos. This is one of the ones I ain't trying to make you buy them, but this is one that I just had to have in the collection. It's just one of the ones, man. But again, let me know if you cop, let me know if you drop, all that good stuff in the comment section. But if you guys are new here, again, sub up, hit the notification bell, run them likes up for your boy The Vintage. With all this being said, man, your boy's gonna catch you guys in the next video. Peace.